Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to give life to your still photos. You can do this by the Geotropic app. You can download it from the Play Store. It is available for free. Now I'll give you a small tutorial. This is already done, so I'll give a new memory, gallery. I'll take the same photo. Now I'll show you how to give the life. Now first, select motion and swipe where do you want to give motion to the photos. Do not overlap two lines. This will distort. Now it's done. Now click on sequence. Sequence is something that will give motion blur to your photos, like wave in waters. This is mostly used for the water motion. This is very easy. This is done. Now stabilize. Stabilize is something that will stabilize that particular line. Like just select dots. Oh, sorry. Now click on mask. This is something that will stop the motion which is selected. Like I want to select this area. I don't want this to be in motion. You can small. Now zoom and just select. This will take some time. Now this is done. Just you can click on the play button and see if it is done or not. And now as you can all see, it's in motion, and see how beautiful it's looking. And you can download this just by clicking three dots and save and export video. Select the speed, select the resolution and just save. Bam! And now you can share this on the Instagram, WhatsApp, anything you want. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.